Replacing windows in your Slidell home can be an exciting upgrade that not only enhances curb appeal but also improves energy efficiency and security. However, the process can be tricky, and without careful consideration, homeowners may make mistakes that could lead to costly repairs, increased energy bills, or even the need for a full redo. To ensure a smooth and successful window replacement project, here are some common mistakes Slidell homeowners should avoid. Choosing the wrong type of window. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make when replacing their windows is selecting the wrong type. There are various window styles, including double-hung, casement, sliding, and awning windows, each with its own set of advantages. Some may offer better ventilation, while others provide superior energy efficiency or aesthetics. It's essential to choose a window type that not only suits your home's architecture but also meets your specific needs. For instance, Slidell homeowners who experience high humidity levels might want to avoid windows that easily trap moisture. It's also important to consider the amount of natural light you want, the ease of opening and closing the windows, and your budget. Working with an experienced window contractor can help you select the right type for your home and needs. Ignoring energy efficiency. In Slidell, where temperatures can be hot and humid for much of the year, energy efficiency should be a top priority when selecting windows. Many homeowners overlook the importance of Energy Star-rated windows, which are designed to reduce energy consumption and maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Windows that aren't properly insulated can lead to higher energy costs and an uncomfortable home environment. When choosing windows, look for features such as low E-glass coatings, double or triple glazing, and gas-filled spaces between panes. These features help to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Though energy-efficient windows may cost more upfront, they can pay for themselves over time through lower energy bills. Overlooking professional installation. Even the best windows can perform poorly if they aren't installed correctly. Window installation requires a precise fit to ensure optimal performance, and a poor installation can lead to drafts, water infiltration, and even structural damage. Unfortunately, many homeowners attempt to install windows themselves or hire unqualified contractors to save money. This can be a big mistake. Hiring a professional window installer in Slidell who has experience with local climate conditions and building codes is crucial. A qualified expert will ensure the window is properly sealed, aligned, and insulated. Professional installation also provides peace of mind, knowing that your windows are installed correctly and will function as intended for years to come. Skipping the necessary preparation. Before replacing your windows, there are several preparatory steps that should be taken, and skipping them can lead to headaches later. For instance, removing old windows can be a messy job, and it's important to protect your home's interior and exterior from dust and debris. If your windows are in poor condition, you may also need to repair any structural damage that could affect the new installation. In addition, check for any local building codes or permits required for window replacement in Slidell. Failing to adhere to these regulations can lead to delays or fines, and the installation might not be covered under warranty if done improperly. Not considering long-term durability. Windows are a long-term investment in your home, and durability should always be a factor in your decision-making process. Some window materials, such as vinyl or fiberglass, are more durable and weather-resistant than others, making them a better option for Slidell's hot and humid climate. Wood windows, while attractive, can warp, rot, or need frequent maintenance, which may not be ideal in areas with high moisture levels. While the initial cost may be higher for durable materials, they will save you money in the long run by requiring fewer repairs or replacements. Consider the longevity of the material you choose, as well as its resistance to heat, moisture, and the occasional storm, which is especially important in areas near the coast. Forgetting to check warranty coverage. Finally, always check the warranty coverage before finalizing your window purchase. Many window manufacturers offer warranties that protect against defects, damage, or issues related to installation. However, these warranties may only be valid if the installation is done by an approved professional. Ensure that both the windows and installation are covered under warranty, so you're not left with costly repairs down the road. Conclusion: window replacement can significantly improve the comfort, efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your Slidell home, but it's important to approach the process carefully. By avoiding these common mistakes, selecting the wrong window type, overlooking energy efficiency, neglecting professional installation, skipping preparations, ignoring long-term durability, and failing to check warranty coverage, you can enjoy the benefits of a successful window replacement project for years to come. Take the time to plan carefully, work with experienced professionals, and choose windows that are the best fit for your home's needs.